Well friends, welcome to channel Big Machine Broadcast. We thank you and congratulations. This channel will fashion heavy equipment or tool that use big machinery. In this video, we watch heavy equipment's activity as itself. This purpose of making this video is to know more about this work system of heavy equipment and my house as knowledge material for heavy equipment education and those who want to buy heavy equipment. But this channel does not sell any heavy equipment. It only shows heavy equipment video. We expect all viewers to help this channel develop better by pressing likes and subscribes, because in the future this channel will be more optimal in showing other interesting video about heavy equipment. My all friends are given hurt, smooth, and holding are easy. If you want to know the video in the long, please view the source of this video in the description column. Do not forget to watch until the end of this video. I please friends help me, okay? Wow, this heavy very good. Heavy equipment very good, my friends. Wow, this heavy equipment is so powerful. Very huge equipment. Really good. I love seeing his heavy equipment. Excellence, lessons, inspire. You are so cool. Okay, heavy equipment, big machines broadcast. Stay dedicated, it's will not happen of mics. Nothing is this what is given to you. You have to go out and eat. Nobody sides it will be easy, but hard work always pay off. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. Laziness pay off of mics, but hard works pay off for the rest of your life. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. Successful people are talentless. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. The harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. Okay, subscribe. Okay. Hard work will get you to be tops, but talent will only get you to the tour. Okay, subscribe. Okay. Patience and hard works pay off, never doubt or lost fight in the dam. Okay, heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. Hard work pay off if you are patient enough to finish it. Okay, heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. With hard works, you can get fire out of rocks. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. Hard shoes, easy life, easy shoes, hard life. Hard work never brings fatigue, it brings contentment. Hard work is the formula for true success. Stop doubting yourself. Work hard and make it happen. Nothing of value come easy. Heavy equipment, big machine broadcast. It does not matter if you works until you cracks your backs, as long as it's worth it. Hard work pay off and always leave a lasting impression. Okay, Frank Matobo. Hard work pay off. Hard work beats talent every single days. But if you are talented and work hard, it is hard to beat. Hard work without talent is shameful, but talent without hard work is tragedy. There is a secret to success. It is the result of reflection, hard work, and learning from failures. Okay, Colin Fowell. Doing the best now puts you in the best place for the next steps. I limit that the only way you are going to achieve anything in life, so to work hard at it. I think my biggest attribute to any success I've had is hard works. There really to substitute for working hard. Dream can come true, but there is a secret. They are released drugs, the magic of persistence, determination, commitments, passion, practice, focus, and hard work. They happen step by step, manifesting over years, not weeks. Okay, Heavy Equipment Big Machine channel. Thank you for subscribes. With hard work and efforts, you can achieve anything. Work hard in the ends, passion and hard work beat natural talents. Okay, subscribe Big Machine Broadcast. If you have a dream, it can definitely be achieved through hard works, dedication, sacrifice everything. Okay, subscribe. A lot of hard work is hidden behind good things. What a great feeling to hit the target after trying so hard. Talent means nothing, whereas experience accumulated by humility and by hard works mean everything. I have learned that anything in life that is worthwhile comes from patience and hard works. Success for an athlete follows years of hard work and dedication. The three essential to achieve something worthwhile are first lie, hard work, second lie, holding fast to one's will, dirty common sense. It is hard to beat someone who does give up. Satisfaction lies in the efforts, not is the achievement. Complete effort is complete victory. There is no magic to achievement. It is really about hard work, source, and persistence. I really believe in luck, and I feel like the harder I work, the more I have it. Thomas Jefferson. Okay, subscribe channel Big Machine Broadcast. Okay, thank you. Heavy equipment. Don't worry about being successful, but work on being significant, and success will naturally follow. Okay. Opportunity is usually disguised as hard work, so most people do not recognize it. And lenders. Perseverance is the hard work you do after you are tired of doing the hard works you are already doing. King Grace. Success is not an accident, it is hard work. Persistency, study, sacrifice, and most of all, love for what you do or learn. Feel it. Okay, feel it. Confidence comes from hour and day and week and year of constant work and dedication. Robert Staubach. Okay, my friends, please subscribe the channel Big Machines Broadcast. Okay, thank you, my friend. So my old friend are given hearts and all things